Today we're going to talk about Metropolis Decentralized Exchange. Capital formation using blockchain technology. We are a FinCEN registered company. FinCEN registration number 31000167641264. So, what is Metropolis Decentralized Exchange? It is an ERC20 ICO listing and rating. You can learn more about Metropolis DEX at CoinRT.co. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and dive into our ICO listings. We have affordable housing development, blockchain, construction smart contracts, currency, energy, finance, and real estate investment. Our active ICOs, for those of you that don't know what an ICO is an initial coin offering. We have currently 5 ICO listings that are active right now on Metropolis Decentralized Exchange. The first coin that we're going to talk about is our blockchain finance real estate investment. Our goal is 5 million. This coin is active and available for purchase, but you would just double click on CoinSPV. So as I double click on CoinSPV, it will go ahead and take me into the initial coin offering. So CoinSPV is a special purpose vehicle. It's owned by MKG Financial Group Equity Fund Advisors, LLC. It is a digital asset coin, SPV, that provides blockchain cryptocurrency payments, innovative ERC20 tokens, combining blockchain, cryptocurrency, digital assets. The token sale is active until June 30th, 2023. The goal is to raise $5 million. You can visit the website or also view the white paper. This token sale began May 16th. The ticker is CoinSPV. The token type is an ERC20. The initial token price is 1 CoinSPV equals $1 US. Our fundraising goal is 50 million. There is a pre-sale discount where you will get a 20% discount for purchasing the coin. The token supply is 100 billion. Available for token sale is 40%. It is whitelisted. We do ask to know your customers, which means we have to identify who you are, which is your name, date of birth, social security, make sure you're a U.S. citizen. Anyone in the United States can participate. There is no minimum purchase, but there is a max personal cap of 5,000 USD or US dollars. We will accept Ether, Bitcoin, DAI, BNB, BND, XDAI, USDT, Honey, and USDC. So as we go back to our other active ICO listings, One of my most favorite is the DeFi solution, which is a decentralized finance solution. I'm going to double click on that. And that's going to take us to our DeFi solution, which is CoinMkg. It's considered one of the most innovative ERC20 XDAI tokens in the finance industry. And a brief description, MKG Enterprises Corp. Financial Services is a diversified digital asset technology company that provides tax refund financial products primarily to customers with limited access to consumer credit from banks, thrifts, credit cards, and lenders. Tax advantage IRIS, blockchain cryptocurrency payments, innovative ERC20 XDAI, decentralized finance sidechain solutions. MKG Enterprises Corp. CoinMkg is considered one of the most innovative ERC20 XDAI tokens in the finance industry. We are a leading digital asset finance fintech. We're always thinking forward to grow our share in ERC tax refund, blockchain, DeFi products. The ticker is MKG. The ICO token price is 1 MKG equals 1 USD. The token type is an ERC20. We have a fundraising goal of 30 million. Total tokens, 100 million. Available for sale is about 60% of the supply. It is whitelisted. Know your customers is required. People that can participate, which this is an error we will correct, is anyone in the US, United States. There is no minimum, and we will be lifting the maximum cap. But for right now, the max cap is 5,000. Accepting Ether, Bitcoin, XDAI, DAI, BNB, Honey, USDC, USDT. One of the things that I wanted to go over is let's click on website. So all of our ICO listings have the link to the website, which will bring you to the contract address. You will be required to have a MetaMask wallet. That's what will connect you to the token. Well, you would be able to add the token to your wallet, and then from there, once you purchase the tokens and provide your contract address, it will be transferred to your wallet. But it's going to be on our website, which is at the top here, the URL. Go down into the contract address, the owner of the contract. There is some exchanges, Uniswap and Fork Delta. There's also the Block Explorer. We call this the truth teller of, is this cryptocurrency on the exchange? But if you go ahead and click on Block Explorer, it's going to take us to the contract address. So this is an XDAI chain or an XDAI token here on the XDAI network here. And these are some of the approved contract addresses. So as you see, we have this contract call was about 22 days ago, 16 days ago. Also, you can look at the ERC20. It's a DeFi asset. The name of the token is CoinMkg. You can see that the XDAI is a little bit behind $1, so it's 0.99. But if you want to also look at what our initial supply is, right here, I believe that is 5 billion, looks like, or 5 million. Yeah, looks like 5 billion to me. But that's the DeFi um, coin or token. Going back here to our ICO listing page. So what we wanted to do is we wanted to be able to give everybody one central hub or location where all of the coins can be listed, since we have already 5 coins created here. These are all different companies. You know, the MKG Financial Group Equity Fund Advisors is an LLC. The CoinSPV specializes in opportunity zones. The DeFi solution is specializes in currency, or at least blockchain finance. Then we have our coin refund transfer, RT, fiat to crypto. So we can double click on that. And that'll bring you here to our coin refund transfer, RT, fiat to crypto. You can also find this in the URL here. We will be posting these URLs on our YouTube channel. But CoinRT is a decentralized payment network and stablecoin. CoinRT ERC20 can be paired or swapped for U.S. tax refunds, USDC, USDT, DAI, fiat currency, giving it a stable coin price. CoinRT XDAI pair, CoinRT USDC pair, and CoinRT CoinMkg pair, and CoinRT compound pair. All of this is available on the XDAI stable chain. You can also go to the website as well, and it will take you there. We do have a white paper. But one of the things that I wanted to look at is, going over our CoinRT XDAI pair. So if you click on that link, it will take you to honeyswap.org. As you would see, HoneySwap would list CoinRT XDAI pair. It will tell you what the liquidity is, how many CoinRT coins are pooled to the XDAI token there. There's a few other pairs here. There's XDAI with the CoinRT. There's these are all the transaction history here. This is going to be the contract address. So this coin is available for trade, as well as has liquidity here on the honeyswap.org platform. Going back, there's also a YouTube video. I discussed this a few weeks ago, but I wanted to make sure that we were able to bring all this together, under one decentralized exchange, which was Metropolis. The ticker is CoinRT. The ICO token price is 1 CoinRT equals 1 USD. The token type is an ERC20. Fundraising goal is 75 million. Initial token supply is going to be 100 million. Whitelist. There's no minimum. Maximum cap is 5,000 USD. Available tokens for sale. There is going to be a 15% discount. Know your customers. There's additional links on our pitch deck, the airdrop, how it works. If you click on how it works here, it'll be a link there. But I also wanted to go into the market and returns. So this gives you a little bit more overview. This can be contrary, so that we want to make sure that all investors are doing their due diligence and understanding that investing in crypto is extremely risky, and you could lose all of your investments. So we don't offer investment advice or tax advice, but we will let you know that coin refund transfer fiat to crypto token price. So it's going to be, 0.94, cents, but for the ether price, it's going to be 0.000470. Bitcoin price is going to be 0.94206163. The return since the ICO is going to be about 0.85 USD. Return on Ether is about 1.24. Return on the Bitcoin is 1.14. Once again, these are hypothetical projections and returns. Those numbers show how the token price has changed relatively to the initial coin offering. These ratings are what are based on my perspective or my point of view of 4.25 out of 5. The hype type, it's very high. The risk rate is very medium. Return on investment is also medium. So the site score is high. There's a number of team members is 2. The team is from the United States, but we can go and look at other ICO tokens here. It took us a while to get all this together and organize this and have everything under one, website here. But the Coin Trust, what is Coin Trust? Coin Trust is a blockchain finance, but it's also a blockchain for energy, finance, and real estate investment. There's the logo. MKG Enterprises Business Trust is located in Fresno and is part of the real estate business trust sector industry, a Massachusetts business trust. This token sale is active until June 30th, 2023. You can also go to the website by clicking on here, and it will take you to the website on how you can get involved and purchase Coin Trust. Here's the website here. And if you scroll down, we're talking about cooperative economics. And as you see, our MetaMask wallet pops up. Close this. So it is a Binance Smart Chain. So Binance Smart Chain runs as a side chain to the Ethereum mainnet. The initial token supply is 99 billion. It is mintable, burnable, cap. It can be paused. More information about the contract address. You can scan the QR code, contract owner, the exchanges, also the block explorer. If you click on the block explorer, it's going to take you to the Binance scan. There's the contract address. There's also going to be the token tracker, which is MKG Enterprises Business Trust. And these are all the list of the transactions that have taken place 13 days ago, 2 hours ago, 11 days. So, this particular token is active. Minimize this. We're going back to Metropolis Decentralized Exchange. You can also click on the white paper. You can also look at the ticker, which is Trust Coin, the token type ERC20, the ICO token price, 1 trust equals 1 USD. Sold on pre-sale is 15%. The token total tokens is 99 billion. Available tokens for sale is 100 million. Whitelist, yes. There's no minimum. Right now, the maximum investment is 5,000. The market and returns, Coin Trust token price. This is going to be in line with what we stated earlier, but this is just based on forecast and projections, and is not to be considered as investment advice or tax advice. Our ratings is high, medium, ROI is medium, and the site score is a little bit high. But going into our other active ICOs. And most people are probably thinking, like, why did you list this on your website? Well, if you ever tried to, go through the process of listing a token on any other of these websites, whether it be Coinbase, um, CoinGecko, Binance, you got to invest. You got to have a lot of money or a lot of investors, on board. But since we are in the Central Valley, in Fresno, it's in the middle of the California region, and so there's not a lot of savvy investors, in the Fresno area, that is actually going to, keep up, at least, be open-minded to investing into alternative assets, especially in the crypto space. So what we're doing here is, we're ahead of our time here with Metropolis Coin Exchange. You can also look at live exchange rates. We have Bitcoin, we have Bitcoin, Ether, Tether, Bitcoin, Cardano, Dogecoin, XRP, USD Coin, Peridot, Binance. So we have a lot of these coins, listed here. That you can look at the real life prices here. But we also want to let you know that Metropolis Decentralized Exchange is an independent ICO token sale database and may be affiliated with several ICO listings. Our interest level may be considered financial as a tier 2 finder to solicit investors on behalf of an issuer. ICO solicitations related activities will be limited to one, identifying, screening, and contacting potential investors, distributing issuer offering material to investors, and discussing issuer information included in the offering material. But for last, I say the best for last, and that's going to be GHS Coin. We're going to go ahead and double click on GHS Coin. Now, as that loads up, GHS Coin is an affordable housing development, construction, smart contract, and energy. So GHS ERC20 is considered one of the most innovative ERC20 XDAI tokens in the construction industry, combining blockchain, contractor payments, smart contracts, carpentry, remodeling, and affordable housing development infrastructure. The token sale is active. The goal is 100,000. You can even go to the website, which will take you to the website where you can do your due diligence, and understand that what you're investing in is cryptocurrency. But our tokens, remember, the XDAI is a stable coin, and so you can go there and you can see what the contract owner is, the block explorer, which I call the truth teller, where it lists here GHS construction. You can also find GHS Coin on HoneySwap. That's available there as well. But let's go back to Metropolis Coin Exchange. You can see the tickers: GHS Coin, ERC20. Fundraising goal is 100,000. Initial token supply 100 million. We accept XDAI, DAI, USDT, USDC, Ether, BTC, and Honey. There's no minimum. Right now, the max. But if you go to the additional links, you would see HoneySwap. HoneySwap is the next chain. It's going to bring you up the analytics, everything that you need to know about GHS Coin. GHS Coin. Now, if you want to add that to your MetaMask, once again, you do need to have a MetaMask account. It's not advisable to use any other wallet unless you know that the token is either Ethereum or Binance. However, um, Trust Coin is on the Binance chain, so it also is compatible with Trust Wallet. But all of our other tokens are on the XDAI chain, and it needs to have a bridge, which is either HoneySwap or MetaMask. There you will be able to see GHS is also paired with XDAI. GHS is also paired with CoinSPV, because if it CoinSPV is specializing in in um, in real estate. And so if you're a construction company, it just makes sense to have, a special purpose vehicle, or um, or opportunity zone investment, that goes hand in hand with each other, for construction, because in the end, you do need somebody that will be able to, you know, rehab, remodel, repair, get those opportunity zones, up to par, where those investors can, hold that asset for, 3, 5, or 7 years, and being able to get the tax benefits, because without the construction company, then the opportunity zones are not able to be, invested in and developed. And right now the housing market with the inflation and the Fed rate, it's a very crucial time, for the construction companies, especially, with the price of lumber and building materials, kind of skyrocketing. So, these are the market and returns. Um, Also, our rating, which is high, the risk rate, ROI, site score, short review. But if you want to leave a comment, you can. But let's go into a little bit more about Metropolis decentralized exchange. Go ahead and get out of this. Once again, I know this is something brand new here, but this is Metropolis Decentralized Exchange, capital formation using blockchain technology. If you are, have a company that has its own token, you can submit, request to have your coin listed on our website. You can also look at About Us. We also have advertising, blockchain services, and other services as well. But, About Us. Metropolis Decentralized Exchange is a diversified digital asset technology company that provides virtual tax consultancy, blockchain, cryptocurrency payments, innovative ERC-20 tax refund financial products. So you're probably wondering, how do we provide virtual tax consultancy? Well, we have tax experts and relationships with tax advisors that, specializes in, those 1099 um, dividends, or if you're going to get, your 1099, broker and barter summary, they would help you prepare and file, that that report, the end of the year report. So what we do is we specialize in the research and development, the initial coin offering, but the research and development, blockchain is revolutionizing, our digital world, and we want to transform the technology to innovative products. Initial coin offering, optimize your business case with blockchain technology. We connect industry leaders and investors. Payment integration, we have integrated Bitcoin payment systems into a variety of industries, including brick and mortar merchants, investments. We evaluate ICO projects on the basis of big data using a scoring model and offer a comprehensive investment strategy. Workshops and seminars. We offer in-house and external training, seminars, and workshops on the blockchain technology and related fields. Bitcoin, ATMs, and kiosks. We use the cutting edge of blockchain technology to increase the public accessibility to cryptocurrency. We have 4 active, or at least 5 initial coin offerings, 5 upcoming initial coin offerings, and all of our coin offerings are active and none of them have ended. So far, we have 100% satisfied clients. You can also look at our frequently asked questions. What is an ICO? An ICO is an initial coin offering or token sale. Is a type of fundraising where, in exchange for money, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or fiat money, investors receive token coins. Projects that launch an ICO promise an investor that tokens will have value and can be used after the ICO. So this is particularly, a very good strategy, especially, in the Black and Latino community where they've been disinvested and struggling, for access to capital and equality. Where most people are, running to the banks, thinking that they're going to get a bank loan, or maybe they missed the PPP loan. So this is how we're able to, generate, that working capital or expand that revenue. Where if you have an idea or your business is viable, what can you do? What is a pre-sale or pre-ICO? Going to here. I think that page is not developed yet. But anyhow, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up and conclude this. If you have any questions, if you'd like to learn more about how you can invest into our ICOs or even list your ICOs, give us a call at 866-675-3933, or you can send us an email to info@CoinRT.co. Once again, you can send us an email to info@CoinRT.co. If you have a question about some tax advice on what your capital gains or what your rate of return of your investment will be, you can send an email to support@mkgtaxconsultants.com. Once again, if you have any tax or investment questions, you can send an email to support@mkgtaxconsultants.com. Thank you for listening to Metropolis Decentralized Exchange. This presentation is brought to you by Fresno Capital Formation Syndicate Show.